These little bars will last in the refrigerator in an airtight container for 2 weeks. If you're interested in the full benefits, look underneath the video in the description box. But I can tell you that prunes are excellent for digestion, very good for constipation. They are full of fiber. They're also really good for your bones. Almonds, very good for heart health with their monounsaturated fats, and also antioxidants in prunes and in almonds and pepitas, full of zinc, great for your immune system, and also antioxidants and things. I would not eat this in excess, maybe 2 a day, because otherwise you're going to be in the bathroom a lot. I have 2 cups of prunes, 1 cup of almonds, and half a cup of raw pumpkin seeds, pepitas, in this processor. Make sure the prunes you're using are hydrated. If you have dehydrated ones, you have to soak them for a good half hour, guys. Also, obviously, take out the seed, hit it, okay? I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cloves. You don't have to put the cloves and the nutmeg in here if you don't want. It's great just with the cinnamon. I'm adding a teaspoon of virgin coconut oil, a teaspoon of vanilla, and a 1/4 teaspoon salt. And now we're just gonna process this. I'm going to transfer it into a lined container. You know what? The size doesn't matter. It depends how thick you want them. I'm gonna cut these into cubes. So if you want to do rectangles, maybe you use a bigger container, okay? I'm gonna wash my hands and leave them wet to press this down. So I'm simply gonna press it onto the paper. Now I'm gonna refrigerate these overnight, and then we'll cut them and enjoy them. This was in the fridge overnight. Now let's cut it. Wow, great little bar. Oh, that's delicious. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you soon.